Hey everyone, in this video we are showing you how to add presenter notes in Canva, perfect for your presentations, speeches or your classes. So let's just jump right in and get started. Start by opening up any of the browsers available for you, and from there you can go over to canva.com and open it up and log in into your account if you're not logged in. Once you are here, what you can do is you can start by going over to your presentation or start creating up a presentation. So you can open up a presentation design. I'm just going to use one of the presentations, for example, this one right here, and open it up. I'm just going to use this template right here. You can go ahead and use your presentation that you've already created. And from here, there you will be finding this. And there we go. Now, what you can do is basically look at the bottom of your Canva window, and you will be seeing an option called Notes here in this bottom right corner called Presenter Notes. You just need to click on this option. And once you click on it, you can start by creating up notes. So you can look out for this generate notes if you want to generate your notes itself here and start by doing so. You can even type in your notes yourself. You can just go over and add it up, and there we go. You can see some notes being available. You can use the AI itself or write your notes itself. After that, you will be finding the notes being applied. You can just go over and apply it for each of the slides available. So right now you can see on page 1, I already have created up a note, and there we go. But similarly, if I go to page 2, I do not have a note here. So you can go ahead and follow the process for each of the notes available. You can go ahead and do so for each of the notes available and complete it up. And once you have completed adding up your notes, now if you want to go ahead and view your presenter notes, it is pretty easy. And for that, if you want to view it, you need to present your presentation in presenter view. So once you are in the Canva project, you can look out for the present option in the top right corner and click on it. And once you click on it, you can select this option called presenter view and click on this option called present, and you can start presenting your presentation. You can just go ahead and view so. And when you go to your presentation, this is my first slide right here. On your right hand side, you will be finding all of the notes that you've added that you can read secretly while you are presenting your presentation here. You can follow the same process for any other slides available here, and once you're okay with it, you can stop your presentation, and that is it. You can adjust your notes, just go back to your slide and edit the notes right here, and Canva will automatically save up your changes, and that's it. So this is how you have learned how to add and use presenter notes in Canva. Super helpful, and thank you for watching this video. Make sure to watch this video till the end, and also like, subscribe, and thank you.